Hi, my name is Sarah Orsyth, and I am the placement coordinator for the Data Lab placement program. I am so excited to be here at the launch events. This whole week we are in Aberdeen, Stirling, Glasgow, and Edinburgh, meeting the amazing students that are part of this program, and we're going to be giving them CV and employability skills. It's been an absolute joy to be able to meet these inspiring young men and women today, so I look forward to seeing them again throughout the year.
Our mission is to maximise value for data for Scotland, so you all have a huge part to play in that. You're funded by the Scottish Government. They believe that we need a pipeline of well-qualified and work-ready students, and that's what our programme is going to help you to achieve.
I'm looking forward to sort of the data for good things, maybe some research. There's so much to learn, and I can't wait to get started.
The thing that the Data Lab does so well is that they don't just prepare students to be really good technical experts, but to be all-round good employees and that feel empowered to make a difference in their organisations. And you cannot learn that from a tutorial or a GitHub.
I'm glad to have gotten that chance to meet and learn about the opportunities that we have in the industrial placement, and I'm feeling a lot more confident going into the rest of the year.
It's really valuable. I think the whole programme that the Data Lab put on as a connection into industry, that runs in parallel with the academic stuff.
Alongside that, building a professional network, so you'll get to meet loads of professional data scientists and the people in the data and tech area, so that can help expand your network and find future opportunities that might not be advertised explicitly.
So when we receive applications for the Data Lab scholarships, we look carefully and try to make the offer to the best candidates we have. Okay, so you are one of those best, so many congratulations for that.
Quite insightful on what's going to be coming from the Data Lab scholarship as a whole, and quite excited to see what's coming with the placements as well. And it's actually really nice to meet some of the directors and course directors as well. So yeah, so it's all really good.